Alright, we got an order from TEMU. We're gonna see how it is. The boxing, pretty good. I'd say it's pretty good. Well, it got here on time though. Let's see how it looks.
Ow.
Oops.
I heard it. Ouch. A marker set! Hooray! A marker set! I wonder what it looks like. Yeah.
Alright.
2 marker sets?
We got 2 packages. We got our phone bracket for future videos. We'll test it out. And we got some markers.
That's for us.
Let's look at these.
Those are
Look
ours.
at them.
Those are ours, though.
Look at these.
These are ours, though. The pencils and markers. Take it. Whatever.
It's got 2 sides. It's got your fine tip. And it's got your brick tip for all them people that like to do graffiti.
That's ours. These are ours.
Let's check this bad boy out. Here it is. Got your pieces.
That's for a camera, right?
See what else we got up in here.
The camera.
Alright.
That's the
Got
camera.
our base here.
Where's our camera? Oh, there's our camera. Can I take this upstairs again? They have any.
Screw this bad
Don't
boy
mark on the
in.
walls.
What? Oh!
They're pretty cool. You just pop it in there. Maybe.
Oh, we can go down and little.
Or
We can go little.
loosen it. Yeah. We're gonna figure this out. Hold on.
We're gonna figure this out. When's it?
Okay.
There we go. There we go. Suck it up, peanut butter cup. Okay, I got it. Suck it up, peanut butter cup. Suck it up, peanut butter cup. Oh God, you
There
killed
it
me.
is.
Yeah.
You pop it on there and then you screw this piece on.
Pop it up, suck it up. Suck it up, suck it up.
Alright, here's our little stand.
And we're gonna put you on there.
It's got the interchangeable. That way you get big old phone up in there.
See, you can go up and down, buckle,
Yeah.
right?
Let's put it on it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Here we go.
And these are the markers. Well, I would have to say TEMU. Oh, it also comes with a little gift card that you give to someone just to kind of get them onto the app. But I give them about 8 out of 10 just because of the packaging. Alright, see y'all again.